Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Supply. Today we will talk about the top 15 best gadgets 2021. Please stick with us until number 1 because I bet you have never seen anything like this before. But before we start, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Also, check the description box below to find all of the links and more information. Cell pen. Does your pen have a SIM card slot? This one has two. The thing is, it's not just a pen. It's a fully functional mobile phone. So it features a tiny 1-inch screen, a set of physical buttons, and even a 0.3 megapixel camera. And since the pen is Bluetooth enabled, you can quickly transfer all the contacts from your smartphone and receive texts or use this thing as a remote when shooting photos and videos. On top of that, the device can play FM radio and record audio. There's a TF card slot, so feel free to store all the files right on the pen. The integrated flashlight must be convenient as well. This thing charges with a regular micro USB cable, and it's still a great pen. ChessUp Chess. You haven't played chess before? This board will teach you. Moreover, you'll be on par with the masters. You'll have to start by choosing your level so that the board can provide you with perfect tense. Once you touch a piece, your potential moves will be highlighted in different colors. You don't even need an actual partner. Artificial intelligence can play against you and adapt to your level. Plus, the board is provided with a mobile app that lets you play online or participate in tournaments without assistance, of course. The app also collects all the data concerning your previous games. Keep getting better every day. DIY solar motor. Here's the easiest way to discover the power of solar energy. Each of these futuristic models is equipped with several solar wafers. As soon as you put them in direct sunlight, they start converting them into electricity. And that's where it gets fascinating. With these energy powers, the built-in motors and the models start rotating entirely on their own. The more sunlight they get, the faster they spin. As you can see, there's a variety of different shapes and types of movement. Aside from the solar panels, the models are equipped with some magnets to make the rotation more stable. The positioning system is thought through, so the models will neither shake nor vibrate while spinning. If you want to dive deeper into the whole mechanism, there's a DIY option as well. Geek Ring. This ring is a must-have for every cyberpunk fan. It stands out with this unusual retro wave-style pattern. And you can tell it's a premium accessory since it's made entirely of high-grade sterling silver. Plus, it's handmade, and there's a pair of tactical rings that combine an elegant look with some innovative features. They're primarily designed for self-defense made of titanium. These accessories are corrosion and scratch resistant. The most challenging part is the tungsten steelhead that is sharp and strong enough to break the glass. In addition, 2 built-in tritium tubes glow in the dark, and if you're safe, the rings may double as a super portable bottle opener. So the calls are not as useless as you might think. Grenade lighters. This is just an unusual 3-torch turbo gas lighter. No matter the weather, the straight flame is as powerful as you'd expect and easily adjustable and use anywhere you need. The operation is quite ordinary since there's a single button on the body made of metal. The accessory is sturdy. A cap on top prevents accidental burns. It's firmly attached with a chain so you won't lose it. The lighter runs on gas. There's a hole in the bottom for refilling with a wide range of colors to choose from. You'll find the one that suits your style. HeadBlade shaving razor. This is the perfect razor for shaving your head. What makes it so good? Thanks to the built-in rollerball and dual-access suspension, the blade adjusts to all the curves of your head. In addition, this thing is lightweight and comfortable to hold. There's a unique rubber finger ring that provides a solid grip. By the way, it's not just for your head. This innovative construction makes the razor perfectly suitable for the face and body as well. The razor is compatible with 2 different blade types. Changing the blade is extremely easy and won't take you more than a couple of seconds. This little motorcycle will turn the most tedious process into a funny race. iSkn Repaper. Here's the most natural and intuitive graphic tablet ever. Unlike the competitors, this one works with regular paper and your favorite drawing pencils. All you have to do is place a sheet of paper on the tablet and put the slide Repaper ring into your favorite pencil. The tablet supports over 8,000 pressure levels, so it accurately reflects every detail. Using a unique app, you can instantly see your drawings appearing on the screen. The Repaper Studio application will help to manage layers, brushes, and image import. Fun part, it records the drawing process and creates time-lapse videos that you can easily share. Oh, and it's available both on mobile and desktop platforms. Now, if you still need a regular graphic tablet, pick the included stylus and work. As usual, it's compatible with all your favorite software. Mighty Vibe. Everyone who's into sports has faced that problem. Your smartphone is too bulky and fragile, but you still need your music to work out. Here's the ultimate solution. This player looks similar to the iPod Shuffle, but it has a couple of significant advantages. It works with Spotify and doesn't require any cords or PC for syncing. Just download the mobile app, pair the gadget with your phone and choose the tracks you want to download. Over 4 GB of internal memory allow you to store up to 48 hours of music. The player is compatible with both iPhone and Android, as well as wired and wireless headphones. Thanks to the compact size and the built-in clip, carrying this thing is a breeze. You'll get up to 5 hours of playtime on a single charge. Octane Stim from Apex Legends. Well, this thing won't make you move faster, but at least it looks exactly like the original one. This prop is life-sized and crafted with great precision. And here's something quite similar. The Promethium canister from Stranger Things. The thing is handmade and safe sealed on both sides, so there won't be any leakage. Otherwise, who knows what'll happen. Quiqlite TAQ Wallet. This wallet might look simple, but you'd better take a closer look. A triple combo of stainless steel, aluminum, and nylon makes the device sturdy as hell. And since it's RFID blocking thieves, it won't steal your card info. The wallet holds up to 8 cards at a time, and with the money clip on the side, we'll take care of your cash and bottles. Jokes aside, there's an integrated bottle opener. Every corner of the wallet is a particular tool. Either a screwdriver or glass-breaking tip for emergencies. A carabiner attachment will be fantastic for carrying the wallet on a lanyard. There's more. The device also boasts a built-in rechargeable flashlight with several modes. That's a bargain. Titanium Mini Grappling Hook. This one for your keychain. This is a 2-inch capsule with a screw-on lid that'll fit some small valuables like cash pills and so on. Since it's made of titanium, it'll last you forever and more. All the things are safely protected in there. Plus, there's a special seal that ensures water protection. The capsule comes with 3 spikes that turn the device into a grappling hook, making it perfect for a fishing tackle box, self-defense, and even holding several bags in one hand. Unihertz rugged smartphone. The problem is that our smartphones aren't quite suitable for harsh conditions. So here's your ultimate travel companion. Rugged and hardy as it gets, it's not that different from the regular phones. It runs on Android 10 and features a decent 4-inch screen. So the phone is perfectly sized for effortless carry. The most impressive part, though, is the 48-megapixel camera. The device also stands out with a dual SIM card slot and expandable memory, but above all, this thing features military-grade protection. In addition to the sturdy and fully waterproof body, it uses Corning Gorilla Glass. And when you're out of network coverage, the phone quickly transforms into an actual walkie-talkie that functions within a 5-mile range. And since it supports fast charging, keeping the battery full is no issue. Wellue Armfit Plus. Say hello to your new cardiologist. This compact gadget allows you to check your blood pressure and electrocardiogram and help detect cardiovascular diseases in time. When checking blood pressure, wrap an inflatable cuff around your arm, push the button and wait about 30 seconds. As for the EKG, put your hands on both sides of the device to start recording. The results will appear on the built-in LED screen. And most importantly, the Armfit Plus can send all the data to your phone via Bluetooth. The dedicated app collects your results in a glanceable way, so you can instantly share them with your doctor. The link to the product you'll find in the description. Check out these videos right here. You will see tons of new gadgets and some excellent vehicles. And there are links in the description so that you can purchase them. So check them out now.